OG Squad. Happy Friday. I hope you are feeling fantastic. I know you are looking fantastic, and it is great to see you today. So what we are going to do is some very girly, subtle version of Hawaiian shirt nails. I love Hawaiian shirts. I love how amazing they are and how bright and colorful they are. And we are going to do some nails like that in the future. But today we are going to keep it subtle and girly. And this is going to be take one of our Hawaiian shirt series. So I hope that you enjoy that. And if you do, please be sure to give me a like and a subscribe and ring the bell. Now, I'm going to go ahead and paint all these nails this pretty dusty sort of pink and white. And then we are going to come in with some stripes and some stamping. Guys, I've got some music on in the background for you. I hope you enjoy that. I'm going to keep the voiceover part of this to a minimum. So I hope that you enjoy the jams. Let me know what you think of them in the comment section below. And maybe we'll continue to do this in the future as well. Not maybe on every video, but some videos. Now that we've added that pretty striping, let's go ahead and add a little bit of base coat so that we can smooth out the nail and get ready for the next step. Now that that base coat is dry, let's go ahead and do a little stamping. And today we're going to use some floral patterns and a really cute little hummingbird. And it is top coat time. Same with the base coat, we are working with McCart today. Now we will cure that top coat for 60 seconds and this is the finished set. Guys, I love these nails. I think they give you the Hawaiian shirt vibe while keeping it subtle and girly. Let me know if you agree with that in the comment section below. I hope you have a fabulous weekend. We will see you next week with some more amazing nail content. Mwah! Bye-bye.